Hello everyone. Welcome to this full English lesson. Today we'll practice 130 daily English conversations covering greetings, daily life, food, shopping, travel, work, hobbies, social life, problems, and future plans. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and imagine yourself in these situations. Let's start. Part 1. Greetings and introductions. In this section, we focus on greetings, introductions, and small talk. These are the first phrases you'll use when meeting someone. Instructions. Repeat each line after the speaker. Pay attention to pronunciation and intonation. Hi, how are you today?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
Nice to meet you too.
Nice to meet you too.
What's your name?
My name is Sarah. What about you?
Where are you from?
I'm from Canada. And you?
Is your hometown big or small?
It's a small town, but very friendly.
What do you do?
I'm a student. How about you?
Do you mind if I ask your age?
Not at all. I'm 25.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes. I have one brother and one sister.
Hi, are you new here?
Yes, it's my first day.
Welcome. Let me show you around.
I like your jacket.
Thanks. I just bought it yesterday.
Hey, what's up?
Not much. Just relaxing.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm very well, thank you.
How was your weekend?
It was great. I went hiking. How about you?
Long time no see.
Yeah, it's been a while. How have you been?
You look happy today. What's up?
I just got good news from work.
Good evening. How was your day?
Pretty good. A little busy, but fine.
Do you have any plans for tonight?
Not really, just staying home.
Do you need any help?
No thanks, I'm fine.
Excuse me, is this seat taken?
No, go ahead.
Anyway, I should get going.
Sure, let's talk again soon. Part 2. Daily life and weather. We'll practice conversations about routines and weather. These are common topics in casual chat. Tip: try to use these phrases with friends or colleagues. What time do you usually get up?
I usually wake up at 7 a.m.
Did you have breakfast?
Yes, I had some toast and coffee.
How do you usually get to work?
I take the bus. It's convenient.
What do you usually do after work?
I like to watch TV or read a book.
Do you usually go out on weekends?
Sometimes, but I often stay home and relax.
Do you exercise regularly?
Yes, I go jogging twice a week.
What time do you usually go to bed?
Around 11 p.m.
It's really sunny today.
Yeah, it's perfect for a walk.
It's freezing outside.
I know. I had to wear 3 layers.
It's so hot today.
Yes, I feel like I'm melting.
What's your favorite season?
I love spring. The flowers are beautiful.
It looks like it's going to rain.
Yeah, don't forget your umbrella.
I hate this humid weather.
Same here. It makes me tired.
How was the weather yesterday?
It was windy, but not too cold.
It's snowing outside.
Really? Let's go make a snowman.
Nice weather today, isn't it?
Yes, much better than yesterday.
Rainy days make me feel sleepy.
Me too. I just want to stay in bed.
Did you check the weather forecast?
Yes, it says it'll be sunny tomorrow.
Did you hear about the storm?
Yeah, I hope everyone is safe.
The weather's so nice today. Do you want to go for a walk?
Sure, that sounds great.
Part 3. Food, shopping, and travel. These dialogues are useful for restaurants, shopping, and travel situations. May I take your order?
Yes, I'd like a cheeseburger, please.
What do you recommend?
The pasta here is really good.
How's your soup?
It's delicious. Want to try some?
What's your favorite food?
I love sushi.
Do you want coffee or tea?
Tea, please.
Are you allergic to anything?
Yes, I'm allergic to peanuts.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I cook dinner almost every day.
Could we have the bill, please?
Sure, I'll bring it right away.
Where can I find the milk?
It's in the dairy section.
How much is this t-shirt?
It's $20.
Can you give me a discount?
Sorry, the price is fixed.
Can I try this on?
Yes, the fitting rooms are over there.
Do you have this in a larger size?
Yes, let me check for you.
Can I pay by credit card?
Of course. Please swipe your card here.
Excuse me? Where's the shoe store?
It's on the second floor, next to the bookstore.
Are you going anywhere this summer?
Yes, I'm planning to visit Japan.
How can I get to the airport?
You can take the subway. It's faster.
Could I see your passport, please?
Sure. Here it is.
What time does the flight leave?
It departs at 10:30 a.m.
Do you have a reservation?
Yes, under the name John Smith.
Part 4. Work, study, and hobbies. Now let's focus on work, school, and hobbies. These are great for conversations with colleagues or classmates. What do you do for a living?
I'm an engineer.
Do you work full-time or part-time?
Full-time. I usually work from 9 to 5.
Where do you work?
I work at a bank downtown.
Are you busy today?
Yes, I have a lot of meetings.
Do you feel stressed at work?
Sometimes, but I try to stay positive.
Do you get many holidays?
Not really, just 2 weeks a year.
What are your career goals?
I want to start my own business someday.
What are you studying?
I'm studying computer science.
What's your favorite subject?
I really like history.
Who's your favorite teacher?
My English teacher. She's very kind.
Do you have exams soon?
Yes, next month. I need to study hard
Why are you learning English?
because I want to travel and work abroad.
What do you do in your free time?
I usually play video games or read.
Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play basketball with friends.
What kind of music do you like?
I love pop music.
Have you watched any good movies lately?
Yes, I saw a really funny comedy last weekend.
Do you enjoy reading?
Yes, I read novels almost every night.
Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I enjoy painting in my free time.
You like traveling?
Yes, I love exploring new places.
Is there anything new you want to learn?
Yes, I'd like to learn how to play the guitar.
Part 5. Social life, problems, and future plans. These conversations focus on social life, asking for help, daily problems, and discussing future plans. Practice these to talk confidently with friends, family, or colleagues. Instructions. Listen carefully and repeat each line after the speaker. Do you want to grab a coffee later?
Sure, that sounds great.
Are you free this weekend?
Yes, let's go to the park.
I'm having a party on Friday. Want to come?
I'd love to. What time does it start?
Would you like to join us for dinner?
Yes, thank you for inviting me.
Do you want to see a movie tonight?
I'd love to, but I already have plans.
How long have you known your best friend?
Since high school.
When's your birthday?
It's in June.
Do you usually spend holidays with friends or family?
Mostly with family, but sometimes with friends too.
Can you help me carry this box?
Of course, no problem.
I'm nervous about my presentation. Any advice?
Just relax and speak slowly.
I lost my wallet.
Oh no, did you check your bag?
You look tired. Are you okay?
I didn't sleep well last night.
Do you have time to meet today?
Sorry, I'm really busy with work.
My phone isn't working.
Maybe you should restart it.
What are you going to do after graduation?
I plan to find a job in my city.
What's your dream job?
I want to be a writer.
Are you moving to a new apartment?
Yes, I read novels almost every night.
Yes, next month.
Where would you like to travel someday?
I really want to visit Paris.
What's something new you want to learn?
I'd like to learn Spanish.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
Hopefully, living happily and working in a job I love. These additional 30 dialogues cover more everyday situations: food, shopping, travel, health, technology, holidays, and weather. Repeat them to expand your vocabulary and confidence. Can I get a cappuccino, please?
Sure. Would you like sugar with that?
How much is this loaf of bread?
It's $2.50.
What's your favorite drink?
I love iced tea.
Do you usually eat breakfast?
Not really. I just drink coffee.
Excuse me? Where's the history section?
It's on the second floor.
How long can I borrow this book?
2 weeks.
Do you play any instruments?
Yes, I play the piano.
What TV shows do you like?
I enjoy crime dramas.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat.
What's your favorite animal?
I really like dolphins.
Do you usually go shopping on weekends?
Yes, that's my free time.
Do you have medicine for a cold?
Yes, here's something mild.
Are you feeling okay?
Not really. I think I caught a cold.
I'd like to make an appointment with the doctor.
Sure. When are you available?
How often do you go to the gym?
About 3 times a week.
Can you swim?
Yes, I learned as a child.
Do you ride a bike often?
Yes, I bike to work.
Do you take the bus every day?
Yes, it's cheap and easy.
Do you know how to drive?
Yes, I got my license last year.
The traffic was terrible today.
I know. It took me an hour to get here.
What's your favorite holiday?
I love Christmas.
How do you usually celebrate New Year?
I watch fireworks with friends.
Have you ever been to a music festival?
Yes, it was amazing.
Do you often have family dinners?
Yes, every Sunday.
Do you prefer shopping online or in stores?
Online, it's more convenient.
Do you use social media a lot?
Yes, I check it every day.
What kind of phone do you have?
I have an iPhone.
Is your Wi-Fi working?
No, it's really slow today.
Do you prefer hot weather or cold weather?
Cold weather, because I like wearing coats.
What's one thing you want to do next year?
I want to travel more.
Fantastic. You've practiced 130 daily English conversations. Remember, repeat each line out loud. Imagine real-life situations. Try to use these phrases with friends, classmates, or colleagues. Practice consistently, and soon your English will sound natural and confident.